Good morning. So in continuation of practice question for competitive exam, we are having another 5 question. So first question is from redox reaction, and we have to find out the values of x, y and z. So this is x MnO4 negative, y C2O4 minus 2 and z HN, and in right hand side we are having Mn plus 2 CO2 and then H2O. So first step is just find out the oxidation state of Mn. Here you will get plus 7, carbon in auxiliary ion you will get plus 3, here it is given plus 2, and in CO2 oxidation state of carbon will be plus 4. Second step is balance the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Mn is 1, here also 1, already balanced. Here carbon is 2, here only 1, so put here 2. After this, find out the change in oxidation state of elements. So Mn plus 7 to plus 2, we can see loss of 5 electron. In carbon 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Sorry, this is gain, because plus 7 to plus 2, gain of 5 electron. Positive charge is decreasing, and here 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. So total change of 2 electrons, and this is loss. Why? Carbon is oxidation state of carbon is increasing from plus 3 to plus 4, that is loss of electrons, and total loss of electron is 2. Now third step is cross multiply it. 5 into this 2 and 2 into 5, and then multiply. So when you will multiply by 2, here you will get 2 MnO4 minus this will get multiplied by 5 C2O4 minus 2, leave it ZH plus, again 2 Mn plus 2, and this will multiply by 5 10 CO2 and H2O. After this, balance the oxygen atom on that side where the oxygen atom are deficient. So in left side 2 4 is 8 oxygen and 5 4 is 20. We are having 28 oxygen in left hand side. In right hand side 10 to the 20 and only 1. So put here 8. Now it becomes 28, 10 to the 20 and 8 28. After balancing oxygen atom, now see the number of hydrogen atom. Here 8 to the 16, only 1, put here 16. So in this way the whole equation got balanced, and value of x is 2, y is 5 and z is 16. Moving to second question or 12th question, that is from thermodynamics. Bond dissociation enthalpy of reactant and product are given in ratio form. Okay, so first write down the reaction. x2 half x2 plus half y2 will give you xy. Okay, delta H enthalpy of reaction when bond dissociation enthalpy are given is written in this form, HR minus HP. Enthalpy of reactant minus enthalpy of product is equal to the change in enthalpy of reaction. In other cases, except this, when you are given bond dissociation energy, you will use this formula. Other than, you will always use HP minus HR. Bond dissociation enthalpy of product minus reactant. But in this case, we will use reactant minus product. Now see, ratio of bond dissociation enthalpy of x2, y2 and xy are 1.5 and 1. So I will put here A, it will become 0.5A and it will become A. So at the place of delta H that is given in the reaction, enthalpy of reaction is delta H for formation of XY is minus 200. So here you will put minus 200. Then reactant, these two are reactants, half x2 plus half y2 and minus xy. Okay, energy of, or you can simply write bond dissociation energy of x2, bond dissociation energy of y2, and this is what bond dissociation energy of xy. Now put the value half. Bond dissociation energy of x2 in ratio form is A. For y2 bond dissociation energy is 0.58, and for xy again A. So point, it will become 0, and on cancelling you will get 4. So it become A upon 2, A upon 4 minus A 200. Taking the LCM, it will become 4, 4 and 2. 4 to the 800, 2 correct. This is 4. Okay, so 2 and 3 4, so you will get only A. So value of A is 800. That means bond dissociation energy of x2 is 800 kilojoule per mole. Moving to 13th question. This question has two type of reaction. One is hydroboration and here it is hydration. So whenever we have an alkene and reaction is hydroboration, so hydroboration reaction B2S6 diborane in THF tetrahydrofuran and then oxidized with H2O2 in basic medium, it gives less substituted alcohol or less degree alcohol. So here you have two possibility, either 3 degree alcohol or 1 degree alcohol. So in hydroboration always you will get less degree alcohol. So out of 3 degree and 1 degree we will get 1 degree alcohol. So we will get this alcohol. In case of hydration we always get more degree of alcohol. So it will become CH3 and here you will get OH. H of water will get at CH2 and OH will get at this, because carbocation at this carbon will be of 3 degree. So this alcohol in case of hydration 3 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol in case of hydroboration reaction. Moving to 14th question, again from thermodynamics. Delta H and delta E for the reaction, and which is the correct expression. So we know that delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NgRT. So in this case you have to find out only Ng, and what is Ng? Np minus Nr, number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant, and only we have to see the gaseous reactant of product. So this is solid, we are not going to take solid, liquid, only 3 moles of hydrogen, that is in gaseous form, and this is also in reactant form. So 0 minus 3, so delta G is minus 3. So put here delta G minus 3 in this equation, delta H delta E minus minus 3 RT. So which is the correct expression? This last 20. Now question number 15 is from molecular orbital theory, that is from chemical bonding. They are asking that NO is getting converted into NO plus. Okay, so whenever NO will get converted into NO plus, it will lose 1 electron, and they are asking that electron is removed from which orbital. So first write down the MOT configuration of this N. Nitrogen 7 electron, oxygen 8 electron, that is total 15 electron. Sigma 1s2, sigma 1s2 anti-bonding, sigma 2s2 anti-bonding. After that sigma 2pz 2 electron, then pi 2px, pi 2py 2 electrons, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now 1 electron left, 15, pi 2px, pi 2py anti-bonding. So our 15th electron is in pi 2px orbital. So when NO will get converted to NO plus, the electron that will remove from this orbital, pi 2px anti-bonding. So our answer will be this pi orbital. Thank you.